Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you looking to block ads on your entire network? Today we're comparing Technitium and PiHole to see which one's right for you. Both are DNS servers that block ads before they reach your devices. Think of them as security guards for your network. When your phone or TV tries to load an ad, these tools say nope and stop it cold. The ad never downloads, so your internet feels faster and your devices stay safer. PiHole is the popular choice. It's been around longer and has a huge community behind it. You can run it on a cheap Raspberry Pi and it works right out of the box. The web dashboard is clean and shows you what's getting blocked in real time. Setup is easy. Just run one command and follow the prompts. PiHole blocks ads on every device: phones, tablets, smart TVs, everything on your network. Technitium is the newer, more powerful option. It does everything PiHole does but adds serious DNS features. It's a fully authoritative and recursive DNS server, meaning it can host your own domains and query DNS directly without middlemen. It supports all the latest encrypted DNS options like DNS over HTTPS and DNS over TLS. Plus, it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, or Raspberry Pi. Installation is just as quick, 1 minute and you're good to go. Here's the big split. PiHole is simple and focused on ad blocking. It has better mobile apps and a larger community for help. Technitium has way more advanced features but takes longer to learn. If you want to run your own domains or need enterprise-level DNS control, Technitium wins. If you want your ads gone with minimal setup, PiHole is perfect. So, what's the verdict? For most home users, go with PiHole. It's easier, well-supported, and does the job perfectly. For power users who want full DNS control, Technitium is your tool. Both are free and open source, so you really can't go wrong either way. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.